into the coats!
Wait! This is the secret man's coat. Take it. I will hold off the imposter.
This thing's hot!
Anything in the pockets?
Only sugar.
Sugar?
Just finished analysing the end of the One Breath Lady's sentence.
Great. Now, what was she blathering on about?
She gave coordinates in the Arctic Circle.
Well, that makes perfect sense. The imposters like the cold. Are you sure this is a good idea?
Sugar is the key, Anita, and this is the last box in the area. They've got to take the bait.
Meaning us.
See? I told you it would work. I'm the man. Yeah.
Hello, the secret man here.
I got another fluffy bunny.
Gross.